I'm Karina Gardner, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really big flower. Oh, I can't even hold it, it's so big. You can see size-wise, bigger than my face. And in contrast to this, I wanted to show you one of my medium flowers. So this is one of the medium flowers I do on my Cameo, okay? And then this is a flower I did on the Pro, okay? And it actually is really quick to cut because it's really only 5 very big pieces that you cut and then a centerpiece, 2 centerpieces that you put together. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. Of course, you can build it on the Cameo 4 or your Plus if you want to do an in-between size. If you're looking for paper ideas because you're not sure where to buy paper, you need to go visit my blog at karinagardner.com/blog and check out my blog post about where I buy all of my paper, okay? And I'm constantly also posting, there's just like no good way to hold this. I'm constantly posting on my Instagram feed so that you can see all the different projects I'm doing and where I'm buying all my paper. For this particular project, I bought all of this paper at Dick Blick. I'm using 20 by 27 inch textured colored paper, okay? And this can get a little pricey once you start adding it up, but usually there are deals like you buy 3 papers, get 1 free, okay? So I get that a lot. So these papers I got at Dick Blick. All right, so once again, here's your comparison. If you're looking at wanting to make really big flowers, the Pro is an awesome way to do it. If you want to do it simply. I will be doing another project that you guys will see of a flower that's even bigger than this, because of course you can make big flowers from your Cameo using really big petals, right? So I'm going to show you that on the Pro as well so you can see it. Now, once again, you can get this in my shop. And it's available for the Cameo, the Plus, and the Pro, the Portrait as well. So you can just cut it on whatever size paper that you've got. You just shift it down in size or up in size, okay? All right, let's get started. You ready to get started on this? Okay, you can see how big it is based on my hands here. And I really didn't cut out very many flowers. I would say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 layers here. 5. Yes, 5. Okay, so a couple of things about this. You are using about 4 pieces of 20 inch by 26 inch paper to get something this size. You can see it's actually taking up my whole table as well. And so the main thing is just know you need at least 4 pieces of paper if you're going to do it the way I'm doing it. If you want it fuller, then you will have to, you'll have to make a double. So make sure you have enough paper for that. And that's the main thing. Like sometimes I walk into these stores to get paper this size and there's just not enough. So just be aware of that. Okay, so you have these great long pieces. You see my edges didn't cut up all the way, and that's okay. You get these 2 very long pieces right here like this. So you're just going to take them and roll them up. It's super easy. And I'll just put a dot of glue on it to keep it in place every now and then. Just gonna add on the second one by adding a piece of glue. Okay, your center's done. You can see I'm just making it really full like this. If you wanted yours really extra full, you could cut out 1 or 2 more if you wanted to and add it to the flower. Okay, let's talk about doing this flower. Now, I always like to roll the petals, okay? So I on purpose cut these very, very deep, and that way you could roll or press as much as you wanted. I am still going to use a pencil and we'll just see if it will create the roll that I'm looking for, because I want it to be finger pressed in, and you can see like I'm kind of not even really on the pencil. There we go. That's kind of what I want to create, and the pencil helps kind of start it out. Okay, now you're going to take your next one, and I actually am going to go ahead and press all the petals first for the entire thing. Okay, all curled up. It's great. We're gonna start with the bottom layer here. And you can see this is a very simple flower, and I have more complicated flowers, but if you're looking for a big flower and a quick fix, this is the way to go. Okay, make sure your petals are not lined up. There's your center, and then here is your really big, awesome center. Now if you want to flatten it out some, or if you want to have it come in more, you can always trim this down a little bit if you don't want it sticking out as much. The other thing you can do, if you want it to be curly on the inside, you can curl your ends with your pencil like this. How cute is that? So fun. And just really big. And if you're looking for an easy flower, this is a really good one because it really is only about 7 cuts. So there it is, so cute, right? Okay, if you're not part of my Silhouette VIP group, you need to join. It's totally free. Every Tuesday, I send you a free die cutting file. So you can join by clicking on my profile link or going to KarinaGardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP.